Hear me out on this. Instead of a capsule wardrobe that lasts for the entire season of spring, what about a monthly capsule wardrobe instead? I am the first to admit that I get bored with seasonal capsule wardrobes. For me, they're too limiting. I end up ditching them after a month anyways. But what if we try a capsule wardrobe that only lasts 1 month? Let's give it a try and see. For April, I'm including this baby blue flutter sleeve blouse and cashmere sweater tee, beige pants on the left and ivory straight leg jeans on the right. This lovely and very good quality Amazon lady coat sweater on the left and beige blazer on the right. And also this beautiful bird egg blue trench coat from Amazon. It came with black buttons. I took the black buttons off and sewed on some baby blue buttons to match, and I really love the way it looks. But also this blue button up and blue jeans. We're going to start with these as the base layer. Let me just show you that I am using fashion tape to secure the collar down here. Before we get started, just a reminder that you can shop many of these items, not all of them, but many of them, in the video description below. If you're watching on your television, there's a little shopping basket you can click on. You can scan the QR code to shop. It will take you to my blog, and there is also a link in the description. So starting now with the beige blazer over the blue button-up and blue jeans, a very smart casual look here. I have paired it with wedge heels. These are very comfortable, and a beige fan handbag. If you're allowed to wear jeans at your work, this is a good option. It's also a good smart casual look for lunch or dinner or having drinks with your friends. And now I'm going to pair the base layer of the blue button-up and jeans with the Amazon lady coat cardigan. It's very pretty. I'm very comfortable wearing it untucked like this. I love the way this looks together. But if you want to have that tucked shirt look without actually tucking your shirt, I'm using this little disc called a cinchet, and I am just pushing the shirt tail through it. I've turned the shirt tail, just turned it under in the back. And then I'm going to turn this cinchet disc under so that it looks tucked without the bulk of tucking in my pants. It's also a lot easier after you go to the restroom. And you will have to fidget with it just a little bit to make it look right. And so again, it's totally okay to wear your shirt untucked. I probably would wear it this way, but if you want to tuck it, here's an option. But let's talk about a capsule wardrobe in general now. The purpose of a seasonal capsule wardrobe is to simplify your style, to simplify your closet, to reduce decision fatigue, because if you have the items already pulled together in your closet, you know you can just pick from those items and mix and match. What do I mean by decision fatigue? That is that whole, what do I wear today? I have nothing to wear. But if you have them grouped together in your closet, then you know that you have something to wear. Now switching from jeans to the beige ankle pants. These are tapered pants. I understand that wide leg is the style right now, and I love wide leg pants, but you ladies complain about them consistently, so ankle pants it is. Again, I am using that cinchette disc to give the tucked look without the bulk of tucking. So going back to capsule wardrobes in general. When a capsule lasts for an entire season, so for all of spring, end of March, April, May, part of June, I get really bored with it. Even when I'm expanding upon the capsule wardrobe, it still seems a bit boring to me. So I like the idea of just using a limited capsule wardrobe for 1 month. So we pull these items. First thing we do is figure out which of these items we have in our closet already before we buy anything new. We pull those items together in the closet. We supplement with new items as needed. And then just for that 1 month, we pull from those items in our closet daily. And then when May rolls around, I will give us all a brand new capsule wardrobe. Again, starting with items that are already in your closet. Now let's pair that beautiful baby blue flutter sleeve blouse with the beige pants. I really love this blouse. It might be one of my favorite purchases this spring. And this is what it looks like untucked, but I want to give it a little definition at the waist, so I'm going to use that same cinchette disc, the little plastic flower disc, to just gather it at the hip, add a little bit of focal point, draw it up a little bit, and give a little definition to my waist. Again, you will have to play with this to make it look right, to make it lay flat. And there you have it. I think that looks really pretty from the front and from the side. Here I've paired it with wedge heels for a little lift. You've heard me talk about these wedge heels before. They're marketed as running heels because that's how comfortable they are. I wear them frequently. I like that it gives me just a little bit of lift. For reference, I am barely 5'1". Very pretty spring look here. And now I'm switching out the beige ankle pants for the ivory straight leg jeans. Still using the cinchette disc to gather it at the hip. And I'm also going to switch out for these cap-toed. These are also marketed as running heels. I really love these shoes. This is a very feminine spring look here. The bird egg baby blue with ivory. I'm not quite ready for white pants yet. I know it's spring, but I'm just not there yet. So ivory it is for April. This is a good look for brunch, for coffee, for dinner, for lunch. For some of you, it's an office look as well. Now let's get a little more casual with this baby blue blouse and pair it with jeans. And I am still wearing the wedge running heels here, but you could definitely pair this with sandals, even with some cute white canvas sneakers. Just a little more casual look for spring. And now I'm going to pair it with the beige blazer. By adding the beige blazer, it elevates this look to more of a smart casual look. More of a dinner look, more of a lunch look, but still casual, polished and sophisticated. I love it. Next, moving to the cashmere sweater t-shirt. Now you can see that I have turned it under here. The sweater's a little long on me. So I've used a stitch gun to just put a couple stitches to hold it in place. And once I have it on, it doesn't really move around and the little plastic stitches aren't noticeable. But it just balances out my proportions here without actually tucking the sweater and creating that bulk in the midsection area. And I'm not going to show you all of the outfit possibilities today, but you get the general idea of how these pieces can all be mixed and matched together. And now I'm layering over top the Amazon Lady Coat cardigan for those chilly days when you need a little bit extra warmth. This cardigan is under $40 and it is good quality. I know some of you are always a little skeptical about Amazon, but this has been one of the best quality buys I've found on Amazon. And finally, let's try the ivory straight leg jeans with the sweater tee. I love this color pairing together. Again, I know it's spring. I'm just not ready for white pants yet. I tend to wear them quite a bit in the summer. So I'm just going to use these ivory jeans for April. And now layering over top the blazer to give a layer of sophistication and to make it look very polished. I am wearing it with those cap-toed running shoes here. Love how that really draws the outfit together. And now the beautiful trench coat. Again, I removed the black buttons that it comes with and put baby blue buttons on myself. I just love this coat for spring. Now in this capsule, we've used a color palette of baby blue, beige, and ivory. I will give us an entirely new capsule wardrobe for May. Until we meet again, my friends.